Mobile Mechanic Atlanta is a mobile mechanic service that will come to you. If your car, truck, or van doesn't start, make a funny noise, overheat, overheating, stop working, or any other vehicle problem, we can help you. You don't need to call a tow service company to take your car to the shops or dealer in the Atlanta area. We come or travel to you because we are the closest auto repair shop and we diagnose your vehicle. Find out what is wrong with it and repair it on the spot, either at home or at your office or anywhere else. We are the best mobile mechanic in Atlanta. Call us at 404-334-3777. MobileMechanicInAtlantaGA.com.